Hi. So I posted a community post asking if y'all wanted to see me strongbox the artifacts I've been saving for a month and a half. Without further ado, let's begin. There it is. I am so excited. Hopefully I get something good, or else it'd feel like I did this for nothing. I need a better circlet, flower, and sands. Maybe a liney piece. Nice, one down. Hope it doesn't roll the fence. Another liney piece. Why is that locked? It's not even that good. Maybe. Mine eating good tonight. Once again, another locked trash piece. Doesn't have HP percent, so no. Oh my god, if that rolls crit rate, it'd be perfect. No crit DMG. So far it's looking bad. MVM, oh my god. Dude, this game loves lying. My last bit of pieces. Maybe if it rolls crit damage. Another liney piece. What's happening? No crit rate. Sad. Yes, I needed this. All it needs to do is roll crit damage. Alright, let's get to rolling. Let's look at the circlet first. Please. No crit damage, Sag. Maybe this can roll crit rate. Darn. Maybe this will roll HP percent. Okay, I guess. Still not a bad piece. I guess that's fine as long as it hits a crit stat next. Darn, no more fodder. I have no bad pieces also. Oh, I completely forgot about that. The piece I have right now should be fine. I definitely don't need a new feather. desperately need a new sands though. I guess this is fine for now. Well, I'll roll those when I get more fodder. I'll update you guys on the short of how my rolls went. Next time I will use my real voice when I pull John Lee on his rerun and Capitano on his release. If you guys want that, bye bye.